Welcome back to Charlie Talks Global, where today we're diving into the vibrant cultures that make our world so fascinating.
Welcome to the deep dive. Okay, imagine this. What if you had like a genuine expert, maybe doctor level smarts, right there in your pocket, ready for, well, any question, any task, and actually reliable?
Yeah, that's pretty much the promise, isn't it?
Yeah.
OpenAI's GPT-5 just unveiled after, what, 2.5 years?
Exactly. So today we're doing a deep dive into GPT-5.
Right. We want to unpack the core breakthroughs, what makes it pick, why it's so powerful.
And really what it means for you, the person actually using it. We're pulling this straight from OpenAI's own talks and the latest reports.
Just giving you the quick rundown.
So what's the big claim from OpenAI themselves? What are they saying is the main thing here?
Well, they're calling it their most excellent AI system yet, which is, quite a statement.
Huh, yeah, no kidding.
And they're positioning it as a really significant step towards AGI, artificial general intelligence.
AGI, okay, the sort of human-level thinking AI. Ambitious.
Very.
Right.
But the capabilities are pretty remarkable this time around.
Okay, so this doctor-level idea,
Yeah.
what does that actually mean day to day? Where does it shine?
Sam Altman had a good way of putting it. He said, if GPT-3 was maybe a high schooler
Right.
and GPT-4 was like a college student,
Okay.
then GPT-5 is that doctor-level expert, basically in almost any field.
Wow.
And the benchmarks back it up. It's top-tier in coding, math. It apparently got close to human scores on that tough AIM math competition for high schoolers.
Really? The AIM? That's impressive.
Yeah, and writing, vision tasks. It's across the board.
Okay, so raw intelligence is up, but the big hurdle for AI, especially for anything important, has always been reliability, right? The whole hallucination thing where it just makes stuff up.
Exactly, and that's arguably the crucial breakthrough here. OpenAI put a massive focus on, quote, overcoming hallucination. They're saying GPT-5 is the most reliable, most trustworthy model they've built, by far.
So fewer errors, like
Yeah.
significantly fewer.
Significantly. It's not just a small fix. They see it as a foundational shift. It makes the AI genuinely dependable for, critical stuff.
Like what?
Well, for instance, they highlighted it working as a health consultant level model. It's apparently been trusted in some clinical scenarios already.
Whoa, okay, like that example of helping someone manage multiple cancer diagnoses.
Exactly that kind of thing. It moves AI from just, spitting out info to being something you can actually rely on.
That's a big shift. AI as a trusted partner. So can you give us some examples? How does this look in action?
Sure. Think about coding, or even just visualizing things.
Okay.
GPT-5 can apparently whip up complex interactive code super fast. Like, there was an example where it created a 400-line SVG animation.
An interactive graphic.
Yeah, to show the Bernoulli effect, how airspeed affects pressure. It did that in 2 minutes.
400 lines, 2 minutes.
Yep. Makes complex science suddenly very visual, very engaging. Stuff AI just couldn't do before, not like that.
That's kind of crazy fast. Okay, what about writing? Is it just factual, or can it do more creative, maybe even emotional stuff?
Yes, that's another standout. They describe the writing as having high IQ plus high EQ.
High EQ, emotional intelligence.
Kind of, yeah. Meaning it's not just correct, it's nuanced, it can be genuinely moving. They mentioned a eulogy it wrote for an older AI version that really resonated with the team.
A eulogy for an AI. Huh.
And it gets personal, too. It can remember what you like, adapt its style, supportive, sarcastic, whatever you prefer.
Really?
And get this, if you let it, it can check your calendar, your email.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah, to help you plan things proactively.
Yeah.
It's trying to actually anticipate what you need.
Okay, that level of personalization and EQ, that's pretty wild. How did they pull this off? What's the secret ingredient?
So this is where it gets really interesting. They call it a recursive self-improvement loop.
Recursive self-improvement, meaning...
It's not just trained on more human stuff.
Yeah.
The older models, like GPT-4o, they're actually generating correct synthetic data for GPT-5.
So AI is generating teaching material for the next AI.
Exactly. It lets GPT-5 learn advanced reasoning, how to break down complex tasks directly from other AIs.
Wow. AI training AI, that feels like a major acceleration point.
It could be, yeah. Exponential progress, potentially.
Okay, mine's slightly blown. But the big question for everyone listening, can we actually use this? Is it locked away in a lab?
Nope. And that's maybe the best part, OpenAI made GPT-5 the default model in ChatGPT.
For everyone.
For everyone. Now, free users might get bumped down to GPT-5 Mini if they use it a lot.
Yeah, okay.
But yeah, this doctor-level intelligence is basically out there, accessible. It's not just a research paper anymore.
Incredible. So just to wrap up, GPT-5 seems like a whole new level of AI, right? It's accessible, it's expert level, and it's moving past just giving answers to like understanding and maybe even anticipating what you need.
Yeah, that's a good summary. Reliable, personalized, powerful.
So the big question for you listening is, with AI like this, able to train itself, acting like a personal expert or assistant, how are you going to use it? How does this change how you learn, solve problems, maybe even create things? What new skills matter most when this kind of intelligence is just available?